Okay, today we're gonna do Senado Square on a Sunday. So I'll just give you a little quick preview of what's around us. And basically on a Sunday, it's like a holiday for everybody. So you're gonna see a lot of extra people around that you might not be around on other days. Okay, come right back with you. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are on a Sunday in Senado Square. One of the things you're going to notice is there's going to be Sunday's kind of a day off. So you're going to see a lot of people that are Filipino. A lot of them live up in this community over here, but they work all over the city. But on Sundays, it's a lot of them will have the day off and they'll come and kind of hang out in the parks and the open spaces. So Senado Square is one of those places. It's a beautiful place to hang out and explore. They've been having music here as well, and they got some markets down that way. It's kind of cool. I like that blue, yellow, pink. Got some food stands. This is here every day now for the month of August. Hopefully it continues too. And they've been having music here every evening as well. Oops, sorry. Then over here you can buy ice cream and beer. So yeah, it's kind of a cool little space. You can sell ice cream, tea, lemon tea, beer, red wine, and the prices are really good too. So, okay, so that's a little touch of Senado Square. We're gonna just walk in a little bit more so you can see what it looks like on a Sunday. Got some beautiful buildings everywhere in here. Okay, so this is basically a Sunday in Senado Square. I'm just gonna walk back a little bit. I think I'm probably just gonna end this video in a minute. I like this place a lot in the evening. It has more of a so when the lights go down, it looks really amazing. But we're just gonna do a short one today. So yeah, Sunday in Senado Square. Actually, usually this whole area is really filled with a lot of people too, but it's not quite the same today. Okay. Anyways, let's just we'll just end it with this view right here.